Alright, so which element is not visible on a web page? The p tags, the head tags, the h1 tags, the h3 tags. Yeah, that's going to be the head tags. The .png, .jpeg file formats are commonly used for image URLs. What is the difference between an opening tag and a closing tag? Closing tags contain a /. Opening tags contain a /. There is no difference. Opening tags are capitalized while closing tags are lowercase. Closing tags contain a /. Alright, so in the following code, which is the parent and which is the child? The UL is the parent and the child is the li. So the UL element is the parent and the li elements are the children. Div elements are commonly used for which of the following? To organize groups of HTML elements, to create headings, to display video, to link site visitors to different web pages, to organize groups of HTML elements. Which is true about HTML? It is no longer used on the web. It is used primarily to style websites. None of these. It provides the structure for websites. Source, href, class are all URLs, anchor elements, closing tags, attributes. These are all attributes. Which HTML element is like the headline in a newspaper? It's definitely not heading, paragraph, unordered list, image. Yeah, it's heading. Which HTML element is represented by the following code? And the p tags: sentence element, paragraph element, partition element, heading element, paragraph element. Identify errors in the following line of code, if any. H2, free music streaming. The opening tag should be H2. Okay. Okay, so why use CSS? Alright, so link to a style sheet. Take a look at the web browser. Technically, this is the same site you saw in the previous exercise. It contains the exact same HTML elements and the content as before. What's missing? The CSS that was used to previously style the site has been unlinked. The HTML link elements links a CSS to an HTML file so that the CSS styling can be applied. Here's an example of the link element. Right, so link, rel, type, and href. So the link element uses three attributes: rel, type, and href. Link, the HTML image element link, is a self-closing. It does not need a closing tag. So in the example above, main.css is an external sheet. Using external style sheets in one of the most popular ways to write CSS. Inline CSS is another method. Instructions number 1, let's use the link element to connect index.html and main.css. Inside the head element of index.html, inside a link element that connects index.html and main.css. Use the code snippet above as a guide. Run your code. Notice the effect in the browser. Main.css now linked to index.html. The CSS from main.css now apply to the HTML elements in index.html. We're going to link main.css. And you can put in type, but we don't need to put in anything for now. Okay, so let's run that. As you can see, there the CSS has been added and the HTML web page looks quite colorful. Yeah. Here in type, you can just add text /CSS. I would rather add style /CSS, but that's okay. Okay, let's move forward. Alright, anatomy of CSS rule, awesome job. This is the anatomy, this is the selector, and then this is the property